So here is another printed circuit board of an electronics where we see several electronic components and devices including integrated circuit IC is mounted. So let's try to identify one by one what these components are. So we are having a top view. So on this PCB printed circuit board we see there are four capacitors, and from their appearance they are called as electrolytic capacitors. Remember, electrolytic capacitors are polarized capacitor. We have explained that in previous video. And polarized capacitor means one of their leg out of the two legs of this capacitor, one of them is negative and the other is of course the positive. So this capacitor has a polarity and it should be and must be mounted or soldered on the board as per its polarity. If connected in a reverse way, it might malfunction or it may get damaged. Now this other four components or devices, they are silicon diode. So these four are the silicon diode. So you see there next to the components there is a label D11, D12, D13 and D16. So these four labels are indicating they are diodes, and the silver ring right here in each of the body of the diode indicates that is a cathode terminal, and the other end of the diode is anode. So this is cathode and this is anode. The silver ring indicates diode. Now you also see these two red components, they are also diode. So they are small signal diodes with a better specifications. You can always refer to the data sheet. Just see under the microscope the number given on the body of the diode or any other component and Google it for its manufacturer specifications. From that you will know that what these components are, how they function and what their specifications are. So these two are also diodes. Now the other components that you can see here, they are the capacitor in SMD form, surface mount devices. So this one and there is this one also. So you can actually see that, and these two small components are soldered here. Right here also there is a resistor. So this part is a resistor named labeled as R53, and beneath it this one is capacitor labeled as C65. So this is how you see that the modern electronics board looks like, with various components soldered and mounted. Now this part is an integrated circuit with the 8 pins. So from on top of the IC you have a number or a code. Just type it in Google, you get an access to its datasheet. These two are the resistors. R20 and R44 are its label, and on the body of each of these resistor is the value of the resistor. The code indicates that. Similarly, here is your capacitor, and here is also your capacitor with their labels. Here is a half portion of the integrated circuits. That's a big IC that has been given. So this is how you can actually complete such exercise to identify each of the electronic components and understand what they are, how they work, and what their specifications are. Hope you liked this video. If you did so, do share with others and subscribe to the channel, because you will refer to other valuable contents on our channel. Wish you happy learning.